Hi, welcome to Cooking with the Crazy Chef. I'm your host, Big K. Today we're going to be making chicken strips. Let's cook. Alright, so we're going to take our chicken. We're going to put it on our cutting board. And then we're going to cut it in half lengthways. Sometimes you're a little bit too thin on one side, so you just take the thicker piece and you go in half again. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to take your pieces, you want to separate them, and you're going to cut them into separate strips. And then just cut up your other piece. So we have all of our chicken strips cut up. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take all your chicken strips, you're going to put them, you're going to marinate them in buttermilk for about an hour to... I've already got a batch in here in the fridge. It's been marinating for about an hour, hour and a half. Before we get that, we're going to introduce our baked, our chicken breading. This is the Kentucky Kernel. It's a family favorite of mine. You can get this at Walmart, and you can use any seasoning you want. I'm just recommending this, not sponsored. We all personally love this. It's very hard, get something 4 people in a family love. So this is a really good chicken seasoning if you're looking for it. Alright, so what you're gonna do, almost forgot this part, is you're gonna take some of that buttermilk, you're gonna put it into the powder, okay? And you set that off to the side, then you gotta mix it in. And we take our battered chicken out and we're going to set it in this pan. And just repeat this process until, well, all your marinated chicken's been battered. Okay, so we have the chicken all breaded. We are waiting for the oil to heat up. We're looking for a temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So, we finally reached our ideal temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to stick our chicken into our deep fryer. Alright, so our food is now done. It's time for our taste test. So we have this slightly golden crispy chicken strip. Now, it's very hot because I just took it off. It's been trying to cool. It's very crispy, and with the batter and then the chicken is just done right. So there you have, from my home kitchen to yours. That's a very fabulous chicken strips recipe that I can 90% guarantee your kids will love. This is the Crazy Chef signing off. 3, 2, 1, action. Hi, welcome to Cooking with the Crazy Chef.
Alright. Just stop.
Chicken strip.